Well, good morning. We're out to pour slabs today. Pro tip number 3, I believe. Never expect things to go as planned. I hope it does, but I'm not confident. It is 23 degrees out right now. These guys are setting up our line pump. We're going to do, once again, we're going to go 500 feet all the way back there. So, this should be fun. Like I said, don't expect everything to go as planned. So we found a little bit of framing issues with the concrete. There's not a lot of framing that goes into pouring concrete, but you do need to have some framing to set your garage door pockets in the right place, and they weren't in the right place. I'm glad we caught it before the concrete went in. This is a clog they're trying to break free. So being below freezing doesn't help situations. They're just trying to bust it up so it'll flow. I don't know what you call this thing, but that little guide ball right there is what helps clean the line. So we're ready to go. finishing up. Well, good morning. We left off finishing up the slabs, and it got late on us. My battery died on the camera, so we're out here today to check out the slabs and see how they look. I know they look great. So here it is. It's looking good. You see it's a little dark still. The walls are real light, so this will lighten up just like the walls. It's just pushing all the moisture out, and it's curing nicely. So no problems here. So the way this is going to be set up, guys, is you're going to have a workshop with a 6-foot wide door, and then we've got bay 1, bay 2, and bay 3. I chose, instead of making it a 4-car garage, I wanted to break it up and just have my workshop off to the left there. So it'll be a 3-car garage with a workshop. If I ever needed to put a 4th bay in, I'm able to do it. That's a nice feature. Well, let's go check out. You can see it's not too muddy, better than it's been. Let's go check out these other slabs. Yeah, that's looking good, curing nicely. Boy, I sure am glad that we are done with the majority of the concrete. All right, this one's looking good too. You see that white spot there? That's just cured a little faster than the others. We poured from this end first, and then we poured from this end. That was another batch that you can see right through there. There's a little bit of color difference. That's okay, because it'll all cure out, and this is all going to be finished floor anyway, so it won't matter. Only 400 more of those to go. So I'm going to take you for a tour around the foundation so you understand how everything's laid out. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you, we're going to put the driveway fabric down. It should help stop the gravel from penetrating into the dirt and help stabilize things. So let's hope it works. So far, so good. We're getting a good base down, getting the road back the way it should be. The next step will be a layer of crush and run, which we'll pack down on top of this. So we'll have a real sturdy driveway. So it just so happens that my neighbor Ryan rented exactly the tool that I needed to get my driveway packed in, and we decided to split it. So I am gonna start running this drum roller, as you see right here, and it'll vibrate while I'm rolling down the hill. It's a slow process, but it packs in this material to make it like concrete. So it's going to be an unbelievable base, really strong. So let's check this out. So guys, the goal is to go from this to this. So it's a lot smoother. You can actually see where I stopped. It's a much smoother surface, and it's a really nice compact base for our new driveway, which will eventually be here after we build. Well, we got it packed in pretty good. After several passes, it's going to make a good temporary drive. It's nice and smooth. It's pitched correctly. So, yeah, we should be good to go with this.